Public speaking is a crucial skill that can help you convey your ideas effectively and advance your personal and professional goals. However, for many people, public speaking can be intimidating and challenging. Fortunately, there are several steps you can take to improve your public speaking skills, including identifying your strengths and weaknesses, preparing thoroughly, developing your body language and vocal skills, engaging your audience, seeking feedback, and practicing regularly. In this topic, we will discuss in detail how to improve your public speaking skills, step by step. Public speaking is a critical skill that is necessary in various settings, from school presentations to professional settings like meetings and conferences. Here are some steps you can take to improve your public speaking skills. Before that, if you are new to this channel, please do subscribe to get more useful videos. Identify your strengths and weaknesses. The first step in improving your public speaking skills is to identify your strengths and weaknesses. Assess your current level of public speaking by analyzing your past speeches or presentations. Identify areas where you need to improve, such as body language, voice projection, or organization. Practice regularly. Practice is key to improving your public speaking skills. Find opportunities to speak in public, such as volunteering to give a presentation at work or school, or joining a public speaking club like Toastmasters. The more you practice, the more confident and comfortable you will become. Prepare thoroughly. Good preparation is essential for a successful speech or presentation. Research your topic thoroughly, organize your ideas, and create an outline. Practice your speech or presentation several times to become familiar with the content. Focus on your body language. Your body language can have a significant impact on how your message is received. Pay attention to your posture, eye contact, and facial expressions. Practice making eye contact with your audience and using gestures to emphasize your points. Develop your vocal skills. Your voice is a powerful tool in public speaking. Practice using different tones, pitches, and volumes to keep your audience engaged. Pay attention to your pacing and use pauses to emphasize important points. Engage your audience. Engaging your audience is critical to a successful presentation. Start with a strong opening that grabs their attention and use examples and anecdotes to illustrate your points. Use rhetorical questions, humor, and audience participation to keep your audience engaged throughout your presentation. Seek feedback. Seek feedback from others, both before and after your presentation. Ask a trusted friend or colleague to listen to your presentation and offer constructive feedback. Take notes on what worked well and what needs improvement, and use this feedback to improve your future presentations. Record yourself. Record your presentations or speeches to watch and analyze them later. This will allow you to see your body language, vocal tone, and pacing, and identify areas that need improvement. Study other speakers. Watch other skilled public speakers and analyze their techniques. Pay attention to their body language, vocal tone, and how they engage their audience. Take note of their delivery style, and use it to develop your own unique style. Manage your nerves. Public speaking can be nerve-wracking, but it's essential to manage your nerves to deliver a successful presentation. Practice deep breathing techniques, visualize a positive outcome, and stay focused on your message rather than your nerves. Use visual aids. Visual aids such as slides or charts can help support your message and keep your audience engaged. However, be mindful of not over-relying on them and make sure they complement your message rather than distracting from it. Be authentic. Authenticity is key to connecting with your audience. Be yourself, speak from the heart, and share personal anecdotes to build rapport with your audience. Adapt to your audience. When preparing your presentation, consider the needs and interests of your audience. Adapt your language, tone, and content to suit the audience's background, knowledge, and expectations. Use storytelling. Storytelling is an effective way to capture your audience's attention and convey your message. Use personal stories, anecdotes, and metaphors to make your presentation more relatable and memorable. Emphasize the benefits. When presenting a proposal or idea, emphasize the benefits of your proposal to your audience. Highlight the positive impact it can have on their lives, work, or community, and make it clear why your proposal is essential. Practice impromptu speaking. Impromptu speaking involves delivering a speech or presentation without preparation. This skill is crucial in many settings, such as interviews or meetings. Practice impromptu speaking by taking on small speaking opportunities, such as answering a question in a group discussion, and gradually building up to more significant opportunities. Continue learning. Keep learning about public speaking by reading books, attending seminars or workshops, and watching videos of skilled speakers. Stay up to date with the latest trends and techniques in public speaking, and use them to refine your skills further. There are many excellent books on public speaking that can help you improve your skills, such as The Art of Public Speaking by Dale Carnegie and J. Berg Essenwein. Talk Like Ted by Carmen Gallo. The Presentation Secrets of Steve Jobs by Carmen Gallo. Confessions of a Public Speaker by Scott Birkin. Speak Like Churchill, Stand Like Lincoln by James C. Humes, and more. These books offer a wealth of information and advice to help you improve your public speaking skills. They are suitable for speakers of all levels, from beginners to experienced professionals. In conclusion, public speaking is a vital skill that can help you communicate your ideas effectively, whether in academic, professional, or personal settings. Improving your public speaking skills requires time, dedication, and consistent practice. By following the steps outlined above, you can enhance your public speaking skills and become a more confident and effective speaker. Start by identifying your strengths and weaknesses and practice regularly. Prepare thoroughly, focus on your body language, develop your vocal skills, and engage your audience. Seek feedback from others, and use it to improve your future presentations. Additionally, record yourself, study other speakers, manage your nerves, use visual aids, and be authentic. Adapt to your audience, use storytelling, emphasize the benefits, practice impromptu speaking, and continue learning. Improving your public speaking skills takes time and effort, but the benefits are immense. It can help you convey your ideas more effectively, build your confidence, and advance your personal and professional goals. Keep practicing, seeking feedback, and incorporating new techniques, and you will see significant improvements in your public speaking abilities over time. Please hit the like button if you know something new today. And share this video to your friends and family in case you think that this video have some useful information. And support us by subscribe this channel and hit bell icon to get more useful videos. Thank you and see you in the next video. Have a great day.